3 encounters, 3 Karens, all public, all filmed, all escalating fast. This is Clash Verdict, where you decide who crossed the line. Our first clash happens outside a council building. The Laughing Auditor is filming when a woman storms up, furious, shouting and slapping at his camera. He tries to keep his cool, but his patience starts to crack and the tension builds fast.
Pardon?
What are you filming?
Why not?
Are you having that kind of
Don't touch me.
Why are you
Don't
filming?
approach me like
Why
that.
are
Calm
you
yourself down, woman. Behave yourself. She's having to go to the security guard now. What? I do have a right to film. Of course. Why are you touching my stuff? Get off me, you crazy woman. Listen, this is filming as well. You've just committed an assault. You understand that? I'm getting the police on you. Don't touch my stuff again. If you listen, I'll spray you if you do it again. You've just committed an assault. I have a criminal identifier. Get back from me. Get back from me. Twice you've just pushed me. Get back. You did push me. It's on camera. I've got 2 cameras on this. Get back from me, you crazy woman.
Are you silly?
Get back.
What are you doing there?
You've just assaulted me. You can't just walk up and push someone because they're doing something you don't like. I don't need your permission. It's a public place. Country, I'll have you know. It's in this country. One of them is the freedom of expression.
What the f*** you saying, eh?
Well, I don't understand you. Then go away, you crazy.
What did
Get
you
back from me.
What did you
Get back from me. I tell you now. You do it again, I am going to spray you.
Come inside, may I come inside?
I am going to spray you if you assault me again. 3 times you've just assaulted me, you crazy.
I don't understand you.
What? You can't just assault people.
Did the auditor handle this the right way? Or did both lose control in the heat of the moment? Comment 1 if you think this was the biggest meltdown. Next, a woman attempts to citizen's arrest H Audits for filming on her publicly accessible property. She claims he's trespassing. He calmly explains the law.
I'd really appreciate if you guys had left me alone.
We'll get the gun and we'll shoot your drone down.
What the hell?
I will shoot your drone.
Do you own a gun?
Yes, I do. We have a gun. We have a gun license. We shoot deers. We shoot foxes. We shoot
And
rabbits.
drones?
And drones, because you're flying your drone.
So you've done it before?
Over my private property.
Have you done it before?
No one's been stupid enough to come and fly a drone. But yeah, Ian has actually shot a drone before.
Are you Ian?
No, he's not Ian. Ian's our estate manager, who's probably getting the gun now. So if you want your expensive drone shot down, go ahead and fly it, and we will shoot it.
Do everything, mate.
Will you just detain him and call the police?
You need to be careful as well.
You're not going to detain me. I'm going to get out of here now.
I can do a citizen's arrest on you.
Well, I'm going to get out of here, so I'd appreciate it if you did that down
I'm about to
there.
pick you off your bike and I will detain you.
Is that what you think?
Yeah, that's what I will do.
If you guys are going to be threatening, I'm going to put a bit more distance between us. I think you've got an empty threat.
I have.
Step away from my bike immediately.
No, I'm not stepping away from your
Well,
bike.
I'm going to have to call the police if you guys are going
Please
to
call the
restrict my
police.
movement on the property.
Please call the police.
Are you really going to restrict my
I'm
movement?
restricting your movement. I'll f***ing take
Get
your
off
little
my
bike.
Get off my... Get off my bike now.
You're trespassing. You're
Get off me.
Over my property. And by the way, your face is going to be all over social media because I have over 1 million followers. So well done. This is the man that's trespassing, threatening to throw a drone over my property.
And hitting a woman.
He's just attacked me.
I'm filming. It's on record. You put me under a citizen's arrest. I'm calling the police. You're nuts.
Please call the police. I am nuts. Woo! You want to come to my house again? Woo! Come to my house. Fly a drone over it. Hi everyone. This is Louisa. This is
What
the guy
the hell?
trespassing on my property. Trying to fly a drone over it. I told him we would shoot
You
it
stress
down.
me out, you
We do
guys.
have a gun license here. We will shoot your drone down, and I suggest you don't throw a drone over my house.
Are you guys going to continue to follow me?
Yeah, I'm going to follow you all the way home.
All right.
So what do you think? Was she defending her rights? Or was she in the wrong from the start? Comment 2 with your verdict. Finally, Pure Audits is filming a business from a publicly accessible road. Within minutes, multiple employees rush out, blocking his camera and threatening to destroy his drone if it flies overhead.
Hi. Oh, shall I turn it off?
Turn it off, please. Turn it
There
off.
you go, it's off, yeah.
Leave that off.
Oh no, I can always keep that on. Can I get out the noise? Can we walk that side? I think I'm here. I'm going to do a little video. I'm not going to get in your
Please
way.
do not do a video. Can we
Yes.
not do a video? I appreciate you've come a long way on your bike.
Yeah, I have
but-
come a long way.
Yeah, but unfortunately we do not want you to take a video. And I don't think
Yeah, but-
if people come out again it will be as, you know,
Now,
polite.
what we
Yeah.
can do is you
Yeah.
either shift off
Yeah.
and go off on your way.
Yeah.
We'll call the police.
Yeah, but you call
Shall
me...
we do that? Shall
Well-
we do that? What do you want to do? Do you want to move on?
Yeah.
Do whatever you're doing,
Yeah.
or shall we call the police? Which
Yeah,
which is your choice?
Well, one, you call me strange. You don't know me. I'm all right.
Look, I've just told you.
Yeah.
You're not filming our vans. You're not doing
I think
all
it's
this
interesting
stuff.
and unique. Don't you?
Why don't you film yourself? Because I think you're
Well-
slightly unique.
I'm just gonna do a little
Right,
video.
Can we, you've got a key to get in. We'll just call the police.
You don't have consent to film. Are you not understanding what I'm saying to you? I'm speaking to you, I'm being respectful, but you're pushing the line now because I've had to shut operations down because my staff do not want to be filmed by you.
My drone's in the
I
air.
don't
Look,
care.
there it is.
Get the
There.
drone down or I will get it down.
What?
Get the drone down.
How can you get it down?
I'll throw something at it and break it.
You what?
I'm not joking with you. Get the drone down.
How?
Get
You
the
can't-
drone down.
Alright,
You can't get the drone down.
Calling what? Get the drone down. The police are called.
You've been abusive to me, I think.
No one's been abusive to
You called me strange. You've called me. I shouldn't.
This is strange behaviour.
You
You're
shouldn't
filming
be-
people without
No,
consent. That's strange behaviour.
No, a lot of people are interested in buildings, especially MX Foods. Look at that picture. Look,
That's fine. But
people are interested.
yeah, film
Yeah.
this is on the street.
I am on the
Don't
street.
start.
I am on the
Don't
street.
This is a private road.
No, it's
it
not.
Ends over there. It's in the
No.
sign there that tells you that.
It's public
It's
accessible.
not public accessible.
It is public accessible.
accessible. Does
So who put the double yellow lines?
I can do
Okay.
my work whenever.
Can you?
I'm not moving till you go.
Well, I've got all day here. I'm not gonna.
Good. Let's stand here together all day
No, you go on. Go off to work, and then I can ride off. Then if you
then. Go
walk,
on. See you later.
if you walk off.
Bye bye.
Were they simply protecting their privacy? Or did they cross the line into threats and intimidation? Comment 3 to tell us who went too far. 3 Karens, 3 clashes, but only one question remains. Who really crossed the line? This is Clash Verdict. You decide.